Window replacement. Loudon TN contractors are your go-to experts for all your window installation needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom windows, our team in Loudon, Tennessee is ready to provide top-notch service. We specialize in vinyl window installation. Loudon, ensuring that your home is equipped with the best materials for durability and style. For those seeking window replacement services, window replacement Loudon TN experts are here to help. From window frame replacement to window glass replacement, our skilled technicians in Loudon TN can handle any issue. We also offer window sash replacement. Loudon TN, ensuring that your windows function smoothly and efficiently. Home window upgrades. Loudon are essential for improving your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our Loudon TN window services include window design consultation and window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit. With our expertise, you can enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows. Loudon TN, reducing your energy bills and enhancing your home's comfort. For those interested in window tinting, Loudon TN window tinting services offer a range of options to enhance privacy and reduce glare. Our window insulation Loudon services also help in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature, making your home more energy efficient. Loudon window glazing services are perfect for those looking to improve the appearance and functionality of their windows. Our team in Loudon TN specializes in window pane replacement and window leak replacement. Loudon, ensuring that your windows are both beautiful and functional. Window hardware services in Loudon TN are essential for maintaining the longevity of your windows. From window screens Loudon TN to window hardware replacement, our experts provide comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in excellent condition. For the best window installers. Loudon, look no further than our team of professionals. We offer affordable window replacement. Loudon, ensuring that you receive high-quality service without breaking the bank. Our residential window services Loudon TN are designed to meet all your needs, from installation to maintenance. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Loudon TN due to their durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl window installation Loudon services ensure that your windows are installed correctly and efficiently, providing you with long-lasting performance. Double-hung windows Loudon TN are a classic choice for any home. Our Loudon TN window contractors are experienced in installing and repairing these versatile windows, offering both style and functionality. Whether you need new installations or repairs, our team is here to assist you. Window design consultation is a key service offered by our Loudon TN window services. We work closely with you to select the perfect windows for your home, considering factors such as style, energy efficiency, and budget. Our custom windows Loudon, Tennessee are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences.